RTE will get a guaranteed €725 million in public funding over the next 3 years in a bailout in the wake of the Ryan Tubridy scandal. Basic reform of the TV licence will again be kicked down the road, with proposals to come later this year, before a general election. The sums to go to RTE will include a substantial top-up from the taxpayer added on to the existing TV licence revenue. The bailout is significantly below the amount asked for by RTE, but still represents massive additional funds for the broadcaster. RTE wanted €255 million in 2025 and is getting €225. It asked for €260 million in 2026 and will receive €240 million, and requested €265 million in 2027 and will be given €260 million. The broadcaster wanted certainty around its funding over several years. The money will be contingent upon RTE delivering the proposed reforms, cutbacks and redundancies. The plans will be signed off by the government on Wednesday.